Hi guys, so I'm just unboxing the goods I bought from temu. Um, just a few things that I need for my garden. So I have bought, this is a repeat purchase. It's a climbing vine net. This one. Actually, I feel like this is actually more sturdy than the last one I bought. So I got 3 of these. It's very cheap. I'm going to use this for my passion fruit because I have passion fruit seedlings that I grew from seeds. I also got this. It's going to be a trial. I like this cell. I like this cell because it's actually longer. Can you see that? I have a few cells, which is actually maybe just half of this. So I have one that is like this. It's longer. The thing about this, if it's a longer cell, the seedlings can develop more roots before you transplant. So it's a higher chance of them really surviving outside, especially that it's cold now. So I'd love to try that. But the cool thing about this is it has this cover, so you can adjust it. You can cover the holes if you want it to be moist inside, or you can open it if you want it to, breathe. And also it has this chip, whatever, and the USB. So it's kind of like the heater, something like that. So you can make it warmer. You don't need the mat heater if you're using that. So I'm gonna try that. So it's an experiment. It wasn't really expensive, so why not? I also bought this empty tin cans. Oops, empty tin cans, so it's a whole box because it was cheaper that way. I love this. So it's just small and it just twists a thread. What I'm gonna do with this one, this is gonna be for my calendula, because right now I have calendula oil. I dry the calendula flowers, and then once it's dried, I infuse it in an essential, no, not essential, olive oil. So I use once it's done right, I just use it right away after a few weeks. I apply it on my skin instead of me using the actual lotion, because I have some like dark spots in here and some bumpy spots. I actually feel like it's almost done. Maybe a few more uses, maybe a month or so. Calendula, if you don't know, has like healing properties. So it heals wounds, minor infections caused by like burns. It heals eczema, acne. So sometimes I would use it on my face. Also, it heals like when you have dry lips. It heals your lips as well. So I use that as well. You can also use calendula for cheese, but my main usage of the calendula flower would be for my skin. So I'm gonna make salve or salve. I'm gonna have to look up organic shea butter and beeswax, and then I'll develop my own product. It's gonna be an experiment, but I have a lot of tin cans, so why not? I'm just waiting for the rest of my calendula plants to give me more flowers. I have a few growing in the garden bed. They just sprouted a few months ago. The thing about calendula is it really takes a lot of time for it to give flowers. So yeah, once they show up though, wow, amazing. You just have to keep on harvesting, and it's gonna give you more flowers. So also I got this one. I've been throwing away my food scraps in our green bin, and that green bin is collected every 2 weeks by our council. This year, I'm going to try composting in the backyard. This one, I'm just going to throw all the food scraps in here, throw some of the worms, and then they can turn it into good soil. So I have, better soil in the long run. I love this. It's actually it's very thick, and this wasn't expensive. I think it was $10. Wow, it's actually heavy. I really thought it's going to be like, it'll feel like plastic, thin one. It feels like it's well made, guys. Nice. Okay. So I got 2 of this. It's gonna be an experiment.